All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming, and I am creating a Java calculator that's going to hopefully mimic, it did when I did it myself earlier, um, the one we created in JavaScript and then later in TypeScript and also in C#, I think we did it as well. All right, and I don't know if we did Python or not, so let's continue on. Now I want to build two different routines here. So the first one will be private jpanel build display, and I'm going to build it in just a second, but the other one will be private jpanel build keypad. Now I'm going to get errors now because there's nothing in them, but look where I call these. See, there's build display and there's build keypad. So those errors have now been removed. So again, as we keep adding things here, hopefully the errors are going to go away. So jpanel display is going to be equal to a new jpanel. And now we're going to set the layout. And we're just doing a bunch of positioning in here right now. Let's see, display dot set layout, new box layout, display box layout dot y-axis. Not sure why I'm getting all those errors, but tell me you cannot find the symbol. Well, hopefully we'll fix that in a minute. No, I have got a paren here. There we go. All right. Now we're going to come in and style the expression label. And we want to align it, so next we're going to style the, we'll call it the big result. I mean, it's copy these two and make some changes. So it's result label, not expression label. This is going to be bold. And let's make it, I don't know, like 36. I don't want focusable, I want it to be set foreground. Like that. Okay, that fixed those. All right. Next, we want to make sure the display area is allowed to grow. But still cap how tall it should be. Then we want to return the display. Okay, so now we have no errors in this routine, which is good. So let's write the next one. So that built the display. This is going to build the keypad. And I should mention, that's panel, not Pandle. All right, move this over. I'm going to add this URL list, but this, if you want to know more about swing components, this is where you go. Again, you'll find it out. You can also just Google it. But where are we here? There it is. And it explains all the different things that you can add. Okay. All right, now we're going to create something that are grid-based constraints. All right. So this is going to let each button stretch to fill out the entire cell, I guess. This will make sure that all the columns share any leftover space equally. That's the horizontal, and we got to do the vertical too. This will have a 4-pixel gap, so there's some breathing room, so to speak, around each button. All right, now we want to set up the rows. Row 0 will be the utility row. Consisting of clear sign toggle percent and divide. Of course, it'd be nice if I there you go. So there's going to be 5 rows, and this is row 0. And again, we got this make button we haven't, and do clear we haven't set those up yet. We will be. All right, so we've got that one. After the all clear, we need plus or minus. Then we need percent sign. Then we need the divide. Now we could just use a slash, but that's not good. So let's use a backslash U 00F7, which should give us that divide sign. Let's even these out. All right, so that was row 0. Next we'll have row 1. All right, so this will be row 1. This will have 1, 7, 8, 9, multiply. So these aren't utility, these are btn number. I don't know where I got the 1. That's row 1. That's 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, and multiply. We're just going to use a lowercase x. This is make operator button. These aren't due clear, these are due action because we actually want to be putting those on there. I shouldn't have just done this copying like this. This was stupid. Make button 7, btn number, E to action. Add grid. This is state.input digit. All right. That will be 9. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. Okay. All right. Taking a little longer than I thought. And I'm at 20 minutes, so I'm going to stop here and I'll do the other 2 when I come back.